Begin by envisioning a sphere of radiant golden light hovering above you. This light of God carries the essence of pure healing energy, the same life force that flows through every healthy cell in your body. Study that light in vivid detail as you allow your body to settle into this space. Feeling supported and secure. Take a deep, nurturing breath and begin to release any tension you are holding. Continue to breathe at a normal, natural pace, and with each breath, this light grows stronger and more brilliant. Now, imagine this healing light beginning to descend, creating a protective cocoon around your entire being. As it surrounds you, feel its warmth and notice how it pulses with gentle vitality. This is the power of your own healing potential made visible. With your next inhale, allow this golden light to begin flowing into your body. It starts at the crown of your head, moving with pristine clarity through every tissue, every cell. This light carries with it the blueprint of perfect health, your body's natural state of well-being. As this light flows downward, it begins to identify any areas where unhealthy cells exist. These cells cannot hide from this radiant energy. Watch as the golden light surrounds these cells, dissolving their chaos and confusion. In their place, see healthy cells emerging, vibrant and strong. Take a deep breath now, and as you do, imagine your immune system awakening with renewed purpose. See it as an army of brilliant white light, working in harmony with the golden healing energy. These forces of wellness move through your body with divine intelligence, restoring balance wherever needed. Every breath you take fills your body with vitality. Each exhale releases anything that no longer serves your highest good. Your body knows how to heal. It is encoded in every cell. Trust in this ancient wisdom as you continue to breathe. Repeat silently with me. My body is strong. Each day I grow healthier. am filled with healing light. Now, repeat those words one more time, saying them with confidence and experiencing the healing power of the words as you do. My body is strong. Each day, I grow healthier. I am filled with healing light. Wellness flows through me naturally. Now, envision yourself in the future, radiating with health and vitality. See yourself living fully and joyfully. This vision is not just hope, it is a pathway your body is actively creating. This golden light continues to pulse through you, growing stronger with each breath. It has become a constant companion in your healing journey, available whenever you need it. Simply closing your eyes and breathing deeply, you can reconnect with this healing energy. Begin to bring gentle movement back to your fingers and toes. Feel the vitality flowing through your entire being. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, knowing that this healing light remains active within you, supporting your journey back to wellness. Remember, you can return to this meditation whenever you need to reinforce your body's natural healing abilities. Each time you practice, the golden light grows stronger, more effective, more profound in its healing powers.